Hello there. Let's be real, you're being way too extra right now. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Believe it or not, I got like 5 Valentine's Day dates, so this is gonna be a tough one. Yeah. Listen, who are you kidding? I asked you guys on social media what you guys wanted to see, and it was highly requested that I show you guys a video about gifts for a guy and gifts for a girl. So that way, either way, if you're watching, this video will hopefully help you out. Now, before we move on to today's video, make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel if you guys aren't already. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video, shall we? I'm gonna share some things with you guys that are actually gonna be good for a guy and a girl, just in case you're having trouble, or just in case you're dating a guy and a girl. I don't know, you know? Everybody lives their own life. So first, I'd say perfume. I just think perfume is such a great way to go. I mean, what guy or what girl doesn't want their significant other smelling really, really good? And the cool part about this is it's almost like a good way to get them off of the one that they're already on. I don't know if it's just me, if there's anybody else out there that has dated a guy or dated a girl that wore something that you were just like, oh girl, what you wearing? You smell like some funky shit. For real, like I've actually dated somebody that he used to wear this like musky cologne. Like it was almost like, first of all, let me just say this, Axe is not a cologne, okay guys? Okay? Take it from a woman. Clothes is also a really, really good way to get to somebody's heart on Valentine's Day, and it goes really well for guys and girls. The only bad thing I would say about this is you gotta kind of like know the person's style and know the person's sizes, because you know, you don't want to buy your girlfriend a large if she's really small, because you guys might just end up breaking up. Another one is shoes. You can never go wrong with a pair of shoes. Guys, just take my advice, and ladies, you'll thank me later. The best thing you can do is buy a woman a nice pair of sexy heels. Now, what you guys want to do with those is completely up to you. You know, whether she wants to wear them out or wear them in bed, that's on you. You know, it's Valentine's Day, so anything goes. And as far as guys go, I mean, I know guys like to stay fitted at all times from head to toe. So I think, you know, a pair of Jordans, a pair of dress shoes, either one of these will probably work for you. Jewelry. Jewelry, I feel like, is awesome. That's probably one of the biggest gifts that you can buy somebody on Valentine's Day. I'm sure that jewelers and like jewelry departments and all of that, I bet you they make the most money on Valentine's Day, because I feel like it's just a perfect gift. Now, I'm not saying go out there and buy your girl a rock, okay, on Valentine's Day, because let me tell you from experience, sometimes it doesn't work out. I will say this, like for guys buying a piece of jewelry for a woman, it's so easy. Get them a little bracelet, buy them a little charm, buy them like a little necklace or some really nice earrings. Like it's so simple. It doesn't have to be something crazy and extravagant. And then for ladies, you know, when you want to buy something for your man, as far as like jewelry goes, a watch is probably the most sexiest thing that you can buy a man. When I go out and I'm like, you know, out with the girls and I see like a good looking guy, the first thing I look at is he wearing a watch? I don't know why, I just think it's very like classy, very sophisticated, like you got your life together type shit, if you're wearing a really nice watch. And I'm not saying you gotta spend a lot of money to do it, because there's a lot of watches out there that are really nice and that are very affordable. Another good present for Valentine's Day, or like a Valentine's Day gift, would be gift cards. I personally love watching like Netflix, Hulu. I probably have more accounts than I should, but Netflix, Hulu, HBO, iTunes, even like shopping gift cards. There's just so much stuff that you can get as far as like gift cards go. Even like a little American Express, you know, for however much money you want to put on it, but at least they can go and buy something that they really enjoy and something that they like. So you're not stuck like buying them something and you give it to them. You're like, here baby, look what I got you. And they're like, oh, what is this? I'm gonna be honest, I feel like some people get offended by that because they feel like you didn't put time into their gift, but it's completely up to you. You know how your significant other thinks. If you feel like they're gonna be that person, then you should probably end up buying something for them. But if not, and you're like, hey, you know what? I'd rather do this so that they can pick out what they want, gift cards are always a good way to go. When it comes to guys, these are a couple things that I felt would be really, really good for a guy for a Valentine's Day gift. So ladies, I'm gonna need you to pay attention. Video games. Video games are huge, and I think that guys would probably really like something like that. So in my opinion, I think it would be really cute to just get a gift bag and just fill it with a whole bunch of goodies. Put in some snacks, maybe some drinks that he can enjoy while he's playing his video games. But I know that guys really enjoy that kind of stuff. I also will say, make sure you know what they have, whether it's a PlayStation, Xbox, or any of that stuff, because one time I did it for one of my cousins and I got the wrong games and he was pissed. So I'm just saying, make sure you guys know what you're buying for before you buy it. If your man is into football, if he's into basketball, if he's into hockey, if he's into baseball, buy him some sports tickets. I know, ladies, we want to be there every second of the day, taking selfies at the basketball game, like, ooh, look what we have. I feel like guys always enjoy that kind of thing more with a friend than they do with their girlfriends. I'm not saying to buy the most expensive ticket. That was just something that I wrote down I thought would be like a really cool Valentine's Day gift. So I'm sharing this tip with you. For the gentlemen that are watching this video, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of different things that are good for the ladies. First things first is makeup. You can never go wrong with makeup. Find out what she likes, talk to her friends. I'm sure her friends know. I'm sure her friends are getting tagged in different things on Instagram all the time. All you gotta do is reach out and be like, hey Becky, do you know what my girlfriend likes? Because I'm trying to get her some shit. And I know she would probably really appreciate it more if you bought her what she really wanted, as opposed to like a Sephora gift card or a MAC gift card or Ulta gift card or anything like that. Take the time to go out of your way, see what it is that she really wants, and I guarantee you she will be so much more happier that you got her exactly what she wanted. Another really good gift, it'd be like a spa day. So whether that's a massage, whether her going to get a facial, her going to get her nails done, hair done. This is just my opinion. I really think it's like sexy when a man takes care of a woman like that. Like, I know girls can do it all the time. I do. I go get my nails done, I get my toes done, I do everything on my own. But when a guy offers, here baby, like go to the spa, go get a massage on me, or like go get your nails done on me, I think that's like really sexy. Maybe it's because my dad has always like made sure my mom was taken care of in that sort of aspect of things. Like, he never wanted her to have to pay for those things because, I don't know, it's just, I don't know. My parents have like a really dope relationship. They're almost together 40 years, so round of applause for them. That's like real couple goals. But anyways, I know no woman would ever be like, a spa day for me? Are you joking? How could you? Yeah, right, if you gave me a spa day, I'd be like, I have a few mixed emotions about this. Buying a woman flowers for Valentine's Day, not really a gift, I would say, and not really like well thought out. If you just started dating someone, maybe like a teddy bear, some chocolate and flowers would be nice. But if my boyfriend of like 3-4 years or 2 years even got me just flowers for Valentine's Day, I would be like, so this is what I have to look forward to for the rest of my life? I mean, I'm just saying, you think about it. People buy flowers for a woman on a regular day. I've had flowers sent to me at work before just because. So just to get just flowers for a woman for Valentine's Day, I feel like, So I would say X-nay on the rosé, unless it's really rosé, that'll take it. Another great thing that I would say would be amazing, and I've actually had it gifted to me before on Valentine's Day last year, was a trip. Get away, go somewhere romantic. I mean, if you can afford it, you and your lady out somewhere else other than what you guys normally do, just get away from life and friends and work and just people in your everyday environment. Trust me, it is very romantic just to be alone with that person that you care about and that you love so much. And I'm not saying go to like Cancun or like go to Cabo or go somewhere like Paris, you know what I mean? But just plan like a little vacation, and it doesn't have to be a long one. Just go for the weekend or go for a night and just share that special time with someone. You know, I feel like it really does bring people closer when you get away from everything else in your life. So I don't know, that's just my personal opinion, and I'm sure that ladies would love that. And fellas too, girls, if you have the money to do it, shoot, surprise your boyfriend. I'm sure, I'm sure he will really appreciate that. If you're a single lady watching this, it's also a celebration. Well, why shouldn't you be celebrating your happiness as well? You know what I mean? Just because it's Valentine's Day doesn't mean it has to be with someone. Enjoy yourself. Get out there, girl. Go twerk on a bar or something, enjoy yourself. I'm not very arts and crafty, but there's a lot of good things out there, I'm sure, on other YouTube channels that you guys can find. I saw the coolest thing, some like box type thing, and I was gonna try it out, and I failed miserably because I tried it before I wanted to film it. And yeah, it didn't work out too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, I will see you guys soon. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah.